A warm welcome to English class. What's new? All good? Okay, so without any delay, let's get started. Last class we were discussing a poem, lesson 4 titled as From a Railway Carriage. And in that train journey, we saw so many things. I hope you all remember that. Okay, all of you take your textbook page number 28. Okay, in the beginning itself, the poet was saying that in the first stanza, yes, the train is moving so fastly like witches and like the fairies. And on the train journey, we saw so many things like ditches, bridges, hedges and houses. And the train is moving like soldiers. And we also saw so many cattle who were standing in that meadow and eating that green grass. And we can also see that hill, plains, mountains, and the poet was again saying that the train is like a driving rain. That means the train is moving so much faster. Okay, and we can see each stations by in our winking of an eye. Okay, so this is the first stanza we discussed in our last class. Today we are going to start our second stanza. Are you ready? Okay, so let me read the second stanza. All of you look your textbook. Here is a child who clambers and scrambles, all by himself and gathering brambles. Here is a tramp who stands and gazes, and there is the green forest shrinking the daisies. Here is a cart run away on the road, lumping along with man and lord. And here is a mill and there is a river, each a glimpse and gone forever. Robert Louis Stevenson. Okay, so now we are going to discuss the second stanza. So, in the second stanza, the poet was saying that here is a child who clambers and scrambles. So, note down the word clambers and scrambles. Clambers and scrambles meaning climbs with some difficulty. And on the way we can see a child who is climbing something. A child is climbing something in a very difficult manner. All by himself and gathering brambles. Note down the word brambles. Brambles meaning thorny plants that bear berries. So, what that child was doing? The child was climbing. The child was climbing some thorny plants to get that what berry? Yes, to get that beer berry. So on the way here we can see a child who is climbing a thorny plants to get that beer berries. Have you seen this beer berries? Beer berries is a kind of berry with red color. Here you can see the picture. Okay, to get that beer berry, that child is climbing that thorny bushes, thorny plants so difficultly. Okay. Here is a tramp who stands and gazes. Next word, tramp. T-R-A-M-P. Tramp meaning a homeless person. A homeless person who moves here and there without any aim. So, on the way, we can also see a homeless person. Homeless person who stands and gazes. Gazes, note down the next word, gazes. Looks at someone or something with eye fixed on them. So, there we can see a person, a homeless person, tramp, okay. We can see a homeless person who is walking here and there without any aim. And he is looking, he is gazing everyone. Gazing means he is looking everyone without winking an eye. That means he is looking like this. He is looking everyone like this. Yes. So, here we can see a homeless person who is looking everyone, who is standing there and he is looking everyone. And there is the green forest shrinking the daisies. Note down the word shrinking. Shrinking meaning tying flowers with a thread. Tying flowers with a thread, and on the way it's so many, like we can see so many greenery, so many sceneries, and there we can see daisies. Daisies meaning white color beautiful flowers. White color beautiful flowers we can see in that greenery. Inside that greenery we can see so many daisies, white color flowers. That seems like that white flowers were tying with a thread to that green plants. Okay, we can see Yes, that white color daisy flowers that seems like that were tying to that green plants with a thread. And next line, here is a cart run away on the road, and on the road we can also see a cart. We can also see a cart lumping along with man and Lord. Lumping, next word, to move by swaying to and fro. Lumping along with man and Lord, and one person is moving that cart, and in that cart that is full of loads, and one person is also sitting in that cart. Inside that cart it's full of loads, and one person is also sitting in that cart, and he is in a hurry manner to reach his destiny, but it's very loud, he can't do that. And in that road we can see a cart, and that cart is full of load, and one man is also sitting in that cart. Okay, then next line, and here is a mill and there is a river, and on the way we can also see a mill. We can also see a mill in the side, and also we can see a river. Near that mill we can also see a river. Last line, each a glimpse and gone forever. Each a glimpse and gone forever. Note down the next word, glimpse. Glimpse meaning a very quick look. A very quick look. That means everything, every sceneries, every like this cart, rod, houses and everything we can see in a glimpse. That means in a quick look, a very quick look, everything. While we are traveling in a train, we can see everything in a quick look. We can only see a quick look in everything, but we can't see detailed anything. Okay, and this is the poem From a Railway Carriage, and the poet was saying, yes, he saw so many things in the train journey, and he explained the things in this poem. Okay, so in the second stanza, the poet see what all things. Yes, first of all, one boy is climbing a thorny plant to catch that berry. What berry? To catch that deer berries, that red color berries. And next, he saw a homeless person who is moving here and there without any aim. He is moving here and there, and he is looking, he is gazing everyone like this. He is gazing everyone like this without any aim. He is just moving here and there. And after that, the poet was saying that, and on the way, he saw so many white color flowers that were standing here and there. Daisies, that is called as some beautiful white flowers. And in the road, poet saw a cart. That cart we can see full of load. In that cart we can see full of load, and one person is also sitting in that. And lumping along with man and road. And here is a mill, and on the way we can also see a mill and a river near that, and everything, every sceneries we can see in a glimpse, in a quick look we can see everything, all the sceneries while we are traveling in a train. So this is the poem. I hope this one is clear for you. And today's your activities, all of you take your English literature notebook and you have to note down what all things we see in the second stanza. Okay, and you have to write down in your notebook what all things you see in this second stanza. Okay, I shown all the pictures, right? I hope you all see that. Okay, so you have to write down all that in your notebook. That's all for today. Thank you.